Hi, it's Christian. To file your Form 990N information return, or essentially what is your tax return, for a nonprofit that is pulling in a total of $50,000 or less in revenues in a given tax year. You have to create an e-postcard profile. They still call this the e-postcard even though it's done online now. So since we're doing our own and we're not acting as a preparer in this particular case, we are going to select Exempt Organization and hit Continue. And now we grab our EIN. That will add that to our profile. And we're going to select Create New Filing. Hit Continue. And now we're going to answer a couple of simple questions. Have we been terminated or gone out of business? The answer is no. Were we less than $50,000? We're going to verify that. The answer is yes. And then we are going to continue. You can enter DBA names if you have any. And here we're just going to quickly go through because of identity fraud, etc. So I always default to using the organization's address. Now it's asking me to confirm that I want to submit this data and filing to the IRS. The answer is yes. I have now completed the filing of my Form 990 and annual, what's called the Information Return, which is really a replacement for a tax return for a tax-exempt organization. I highly recommend you print a copy of the filing when you're done because it allows you to capture this information in the middle of the screen here so you have some proof that you were in fact filed. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go up to the print dialog, and it may look slightly different if you have a Windows computer, and I'm going to save this as a PDF and put it in my records instead of printing the document. The 990 is, of course, due on May 15th of each tax year. You can choose to get a 6-month tax return or information return extension, in which case it would be due in October. And with that, we are all set, and that concludes this training on how to file your 990.